Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Bybit how to unstake USDT Launchpool. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is just simply head over and launch the app Bybit, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. And make sure your account is verified and you have access to the Launchpool section, because without verifying you won't be able to access the Launchpool. So now what you need to do in order to access Launchpool is just simply tap on more icon on the home screen, and then once you scroll down on the spot X, you'll be getting the option that says Launchpool right here. Simply tap on that, and now what you need to do is here you will see the project you've staked in. All you gotta do is find your stake USDT. Under the project you will see amount staked, rewards accumulated, and unstake or withdraw button, and simply click on unstaked and enter the amount of USDT you want to unstake. Now you'll be prompted to confirm the transaction. Simply tap on confirm to confirm the transaction, and note that some Launchpool projects have a lock period, meaning you can only unstake after a specific date. Check the project details for any lockup rules. Then after confirming, the USDT will return to your spot wallet or reward section. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.